This is a video that I'm doing mainly for me, because it's taken a long time for me to even want to talk about the subject matter. This car belonged to a good friend, Samuel Stewart. He was kind of like a barfly at my shop. He always came in and we talked cars, talked about racing, talked about his aspirations. We did all the work on his vehicle, and his passing was a little hard on the team. No, it wasn't a little hard. It was absolutely, it just crushed us. We were all good friends with him here. I know there's people out there who were closer to him, but we considered him a really good friend, and I personally spent a lot of time with him and got a lot of time invested in his dream. So the car behind me was his S209. I know Ryan worked very hard to get this car. He had intentions of taking it on the racetrack. That's actually how he met me. We were preparing it for his first day with NASA to go racing. Actually, that same weekend, the same weekend that he passed, he was going to go racing with us for the first time after spending a lot of time and energy setting this car up and corner balancing it and dialing it in the suspension. So he left the shop that day. The day he passed, he left the shop. We had just done that corner balance and alignment and setup, and I was back at my house with a bunch of my friends, just enjoying the evening, and I get a message from Ryan saying there's a mild vibration coming from the car, and I said, hey, of course, you can bring it back, we'll double check everything. A couple minutes later, honestly, it was minutes, it was not long, it wasn't long, and then he sent me a picture of a flat tire. So his back left tire got a puncture, and that was his vibration. So he sent me a picture of the back left corner of the car, said it's all's good, just changing a tire. I said, I don't remember, I could look up my exact words, but more or less I just said, awesome, great to hear it's nothing major kind of deal. And then went back to my night. We were just eating dinner with folks, and somebody, I don't remember who, posted up, I think it was in Flat 4, they posted up either a news article or a TV link or something that showed a white Subaru on the side of the road, and it mentioned a fatality. And I mean, the picture was from pretty far away, but when you zoomed in on it a little bit, when you looked a little closer, you could see that it had that really distinctive S209 wing on it, and it had Regamasters, which Ryan again loved those Regamasters. Sorry. So I immediately just start blowing up his phone and calling him, just calling him to see if that was him or not. And as you would expect, he did not answer. And yeah. So that was a tough night for everybody. A lot of his friends and family, had to find this out via the internet or maybe some phone calls here and there. That was a long time ago. That was 2021. So we had a great memorial. We all talked about Ryan here at the shop. We had, I think, close to 200 or 300 people come to his memorial here at the shop. And just, I don't know if pay our respects is the correct word, but just appreciate and celebrate his life. The car was an impound because it was part of a court case. So the car sat outside in the elements with, no windows or doors on it for the better part of 3 years, I guess. And then it was released to me because I was the closest person to where the vehicle was located, and I brought it back to the shop, I think about 8 months ago now. And it's just been sitting here, and I look at it every day, and my heart sinks every single day. I have no idea. It seems probably silly to some people to even attempt to do what we're gonna do. The car's total, obviously, but I want to put this car back together, and I wanted to go take it on a racetrack just once, just one time, just because that's what it was supposed to do that weekend. And yeah, it's for me. It's definitely for me. I hope it helps other people maybe feel some closure of us attempting to put this car back together. It's obviously quite damaged. I'm not a bodywork person or anything like that. I spoke with some good friends who do framework, and they're willing to assist me at a very minimal cost to pull the back corner, and we're gonna have to section out the back corner and replace it, and we have no idea how bad that's gonna be. So, but I really feel like we need to attempt it, because I guess there's really there's no because. We really need to attempt it. I mean, I need to attempt it. I need to see if I can do this for my own personal closure. So we're gonna do it. If you guys care, you're more than welcome to watch my progress. I'll try to document some of it here and there. We already started taking it apart as soon as I found someone who was willing to pull the back quarter. We started taking it apart to assess more damage and see what else we're gonna need. But it's gonna be a pretty long road, I'm guessing. I do have a GoFundMe up for anybody who's interested in helping, but I don't care if anybody donates. I'm doing this regardless of how much it costs me at this point, and I don't care if I ever get the money back at all. It's just that close and personal to me. Some people disagree. Some people think this is a stupid idea, or the car's too far hit and it's a write-off. And they're probably right, but I don't care. So anyways, thanks for listening, and I'll try to record our progress with it as it goes. But again, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. It's taken a lot to post this, to get my thoughts together. Like I said, many months. But just keep an eye on your friends, cherish them. You never know when it's the last time you're going to see them. Much love, everybody.